this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. Its review rating is 8.8, which is the fabulous. A set of figures is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Next, we talk about the amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is fine in case you love to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you have a problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.